Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are fit and fine. Today I'm gonna share with you a very beautiful and outstanding wooden partition designs, wall divider designs for living room. These are more gorgeous and more beautiful and outstanding ideas. I hope so you guys really like this most beautiful and amazing designs. These are more beautiful and outstanding ideas I have to share. I hope so you guys really love this most beautiful and more gorgeous and more loveliest ideas I have to share with you. I hope so you guys really love this most beautiful or lovely ideas I have shared. I hope so you guys really like this most beautiful and another best videos. These wall divider designs are more beautiful or more stunning and attractive looking. I hope you guys really like these all the best new and stunning ideas, more beautiful and more loveliest ideas. I hope you guys really like this most beautiful video and new designs. These very much beautiful ideas I have to share with you is so much cute, outstanding, attractive and impressive looking. I hope you guys really like this most beautiful video and new designs. These are more beautiful ideas and more loveliest ideas I have to share with you. Hope so you guys really like this most beautiful video and another best designs. These are best home decor ideas and another best home decor for partition designs, wooden wardrobe, wooden another things you guys easily see in my videos. I hope so you guys really like this wooden wall divider designs, and these wooden wall divider for living room, for bedroom ideas are outstanding and amazing looking. These are very much beautiful. I hope so you guys really love this most beautiful designs. These wall dividers are more beautiful than you guys think. A lot of most beautiful or another best ideas. I hope so you guys really love these all the best wall dividers. And you guys see a lot of much beautiful or stunning ideas. I request you to everyone, please go and visit our channel and do subscribe for more new and best ideas or best designs. I hope you guys really love these all the best new and gorgeous ideas I have to share with you. I hope so you guys really love these gorgeous or more beautiful or more outstanding wall divider designs. These wall divider and partitions are lovely ideas I have to share in my channel, and I hope so you guys really love these more beautiful and more outstanding ideas, which is very much beautiful or stunning and attractive looking. Hope you guys really like this most beautiful video and new designs, new ideas. Always take care. Bye bye. Allah.